Hi everyone, and welcome back to my more important analysis videos. And with me, Richard Power Market Analyst at Handtech Markets on Friday, the 7th of July, non-farm payrolls Friday. Euro dollar is our chart now. Little bit of a drop back on euro dollar, not an enormous amount, but yesterday's quite strong bull candle actually sort of maintained that breakout support, didn't it, around 113 figure. That breakout of the range 111 to 113 implies side target of around about 115 figure, and I still think we're on course for that. Looking at the strong momentum indicators, RSI above 60, MACD line still positively configured, stochastics turning up. So holding on to that support 113.10, market has pushed higher and much more positively configured once again, and you got this uptrend intact. It all looks pretty positive. That uptrend today comes in around 12.50. So there is scope for a possible correction on payrolls. Say, for example, payrolls came out incredibly strongly. We could see a bit of a correction back, but I still think little corrections are a chance to buy on euro dollar. So what we are seeing is, so zoom out a bit, get rid of that line there, bang. You sort of, broadly speaking, I suppose you could argue range bound a bit. But generally speaking, I think it's sort of positioning really for the next breakout to the upside. I don't really think it's going to be I don't think it's going to be too long before we sort of start to break up to the upside again, because this sort of corrective move that we had positioned on euro dollar is now sort of been sort of taken out by that rally that we saw yesterday. This sort of run of lower highs, corrective move. You could argue there's a bit of a pivot around sort of 1385 area, which is that old neckline of that top, which gives you a little bit of a pivot, maybe support. That's basically where the 144-hour moving average is at the moment. But I'd say that still corrections are a chance to buy on euro dollar. And with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.